How to replace your cabin filter. This is for Mazda 3 or Mazda Axela. I also have other videos about cabin filters. Just refer to the link on the screen or into the description box below. First, open the glove box. On this vehicle, you will have to remove this damper by gently pushing it outside. Then push both sides inward and let it all the way down. Detach the glove box and set it aside. Here is the AC cabin system. Lift this tab and pull the cabin filter. Checking your cabin filter could be surprising sometimes. If your aircon smells weird, there could be something in your cabin filter. Here's the old filthy cabin filter. And this is the new aftermarket cabin filter. As the code says, Mazda 3 and CX-5 has the same cabin filter. You can clearly see how big the difference is. Airflow comes from top to bottom. You will install this cabin filter with the arrow pointing downward. Make sure the tab clicks as you push the cabin filter. Then return everything back together. And you're done. Enjoy fresh air with your new cabin filter. I hope you enjoy and find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching.